Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMN examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says, a coil is placed in a magnetic field as shown in the figure. A current is induced in the coil because B is the magnetic field, and a coil has been given to you. An induced current is in the direction of anti-clockwise. Okay, so that means a magnetic field B is placed at this particular point. Suppose a magnetic field is placed, so this magnetic field will induce a current within this coil. Okay, so we'll read out the first option now. It says this magnetic field is outward and decreasing with time. Is it true? Because it says this magnetic field is outward, means it is out of the plane, and it is continuously decreasing. So let me see whether this statement is true or not. If this current is continuously decreasing, if this magnetic field is continuously decreasing, so that means the induced current within the coil must be there. Okay, and it must be there in the anti-clockwise direction. Why is it so? Because in this particular direction the magnetic field is decreasing. So that means the induced current produces the magnetic field in such a way that it will increase the magnetic field in this particular direction, because since the magnetic field is decreasing, so that means the induced current will produce a magnetic field in such a way that it will increase the magnetic field. So that's why in this particular direction, so because of this induced current, the magnetic field would be outward. So that means in this particular direction it was decreasing, so now this induced current is increasing it. So this statement is true, and magnetic field has to be in perpendicular direction to this coil of the plane. Okay, then only the flux will link through it, and if flux will link through it and flux is changing, so then induced EMF would be there, and because of which induced current would be flowing in it. So that means your first option is the correct option, which is outward and decreases with time. Okay, so this would be the correct option. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.